Bitcoin trades near $26,500, Ether floats above $1,600. Binance to sell entire Russia business to Comex. Mixin Network offers $20 million bug bounty to hackers in $200 million hack. Pudgy Penguins NFT-linked toys debut in 2,000 Walmart stores. Ethereum hit $10 billion in revenue faster than Facebook and Microsoft. Hello and welcome to 3.0 I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDM markets were trading mixed as hints of higher rates for a prolonged period dented the overall market sentiments. Bitcoin hovered around $26,500 crucial marks. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 0.5% at 34,200 points. Interestingly, the idea of higher rates for a longer period drove investors to bonds. As such, the US 10-year Treasury yield moved up to 4.55%, matching its highest level in about 16 years. Analysts have earlier said that little or no major macro updates this week should keep crypto fairly supported. Also, the zero correlation between BTC or USD can help maintain stability. Recently, the BTC's correlation with the dollar index hit zero, meaning there's no relationship at all between them. Meanwhile, FCF Pay, a well-known cryptocurrency payment processor, recently tweeted an interesting announcement for HSBC clients holding XRP and SHIB assets. However, HSBC users can now pay their mortgage bills and loans using various cryptocurrencies through the FCF Pay platform, allowing them to leverage the growing popularity of digital assets for their banking needs. Moving on, the Euro-pegged stablecoin EURC will be listed on the Stellar network thanks to a partnership between Circle and Stellar. The businesses disclosed their partnership, which would let customers trade EURC on the Stellar network during the Meridian 2023 conference. The global cryptocurrency market cap was at $1.05 trillion mark, increasing 0.8% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volumes decreased by 7% to $21.2 billion. Going forward, the WLD token from WorldCoin is currently on the rise, sparking a lot of curiosity among cryptocurrency enthusiasts. However, in the past 6 hours, WLD increased by more than 5% after Binance acquired nearly $1 million worth of WLD tokens. Meanwhile, a bipartisan group of the US lawmakers argued Tuesday in a letter to SEC Chair Gary Gensler the markets regulator should listen to the courts and give up efforts to block Bitcoin exchange-traded funds or ETFs from regulatory approval. Well, hopes of spot Bitcoin ETFs being launched sooner or later should keep cryptocurrencies supported. US stock futures traded higher as Wall Street tried to recoup from steep losses witnessed in the previous sessions. Dow Jones Industrial Average futures rose by 105 points or 0.3%. Futures linked to the S&P 500 climbed 0.4% along with Nasdaq 100 futures. Bitcoin was trading at $26,350, up by 0.3%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 1%, trading at $1,610. BNB was up by 0.4% to trade at $213. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $9.1 higher by 0.3%. Talking about Doge, the popular meme coin, it was trading up by 0.1% at $0.060. Next on the list, Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.50, up by 0.1%. However, Solana Sol was down 1% and was trading at $19.2. Cardano's 88 token was again down by 0.4% to trade at $0.24. Talking about Polygon's Matic, it was trading down by 2% to trade at $0.51, and Shiba Inu was trading down by 0.2%. Last on the list, we have Polkadot. It was down by 0.2% to trade at $4.1.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Crypto exchange Binance has agreed to sell the entirety of its Russia business to COMEX as it looks to fully exit the market over compliance concerns. As we look towards the future, we recognize that operating in Russia is not compatible with Binance's compliance strategy, Noah Perlman, Binance's chief compliance officer, said in a press statement. COMEX appears to be a crypto exchange that was officially launched on Tuesday, while it seemingly listed BTC USDT and ETH USDT trading pairs for spot trading in July on its X, formerly Twitter account. COMEX on Wednesday welcomed its new users from Russia and around the world. It was reported earlier this year that Binance was facing a Department of Justice inquiry into whether Russian customers were able to access the exchange in violation of US sanctions related to Russia's invasion of Ukraine. In August, the firm said it was cutting ties with sanctioned Russian banks. Binance said on Wednesday that with the sale, it would exit the country completely, adding Binance will sunset all exchange services and business lines in Russia over the next several months. Mixin Network, a decentralized cross-chain protocol, in a message to the hacker behind the $200 million exploit on September 23rd, has offered a $20 million bug bounty for the return of the remaining funds. Mixin Network encrypted the message with the exploiter transaction, requesting the exploiter to return the funds as the majority of the stolen funds were user assets. Mixin Network confirmed the exploit on September 25th, claiming the exploiters managed to breach a third-party cloud service provider, which resulted in the theft of nearly $200 million of assets from the platform. While it is still unclear how the exploiters managed to steal $200 million worth of assets through a data breach, cross-chain protocol in the decentralized finance space have been the target of some of the biggest exploits in crypto history. One report indicates more than half of all DeFi exploits occur on cross-chain protocols, which have resulted in losses of over $2.5 billion. Pudgy Penguins, one of the most popular NFT collections, announced that its new line of Pudgy toys will now be sold in 2,000 Walmart stores across the US. Each toy comes with a unique code that unlocks access to Pudgy World, a multiplayer game built on ZK Sync era's Layer 2 blockchain, where players can customize their penguin avatar. The game aims to blend real-world and digital play. The partnership represents a major retail milestone for Pudgy Penguins, a company born out of the recent boom in non-fungible tokens and blockchain technology. Since launching in 2021, the company has seen over $400 million in sales of its digital collectibles. The company says its toys leverage both social media and blockchain technology to create an innovative brand experience. The NFT holders who own the digital art that the toy designs are based on will receive royalties from toy sales. Ethereum, the leading smart contract platform, has reached over $10 billion in cumulative revenue since its launch in 2015. This growth rate outpaces many of the largest software companies in history, according to a new report by crypto brokerage firms Scalab and Brown. It took Ethereum around 7.5 years to reach $10 billion in annual revenue, faster than Meta, which was formerly known as Facebook, which reached the milestone in a little over 7.5 years, and Microsoft, which took 19 years. Ethereum reached the $10 billion revenue milestone through fees collected on transactions and other activities on its network. This includes payments for using decentralized finance apps, minting and trading NFTs, sending cryptocurrency payments, and more. However, Ethereum's revenue has fallen more than 77% from the previous year, along with the overall crypto market downturn. The decentralized network has revenue of $1.7 billion so far this year, according to data from crypto analytics firm Token Terminal. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of buzzing coins of the day.
First on the list, we have Ben Token. Crypto influencer Ben Armstrong was arrested on 25th September after an apparent confrontation with his former business partner, part of which was live streamed on X, formerly Twitter. An online record at the Gwinnett County Sheriff's Department site shows one Benjamin Charles Armstrong was arrested, but there are currently no charges listed. Armstrong was carrying a loaded weapon in the backseat of his car and was traveling with one another person, a live stream snippet on X shows. Ben tokens floated by Armstrong earlier this year dropped 30% as reports of the arrest leaked early on Tuesday. Next on the list, we have Stellar. Stablecoin issuer Stellar Circle. Next on the list, we have Stellar. Stablecoin issuer Circle has joined forces with the Stellar Development Foundation to launch its EURC fiat-backed stablecoin on the Stellar network. Similar to the US dollar-backed USDC, the crypto industry's second largest stablecoin EURC maintains a 1:1 ratio peg with the euro under a full reserve model. Tiana Baker-Taylor, Circle's VP of Policy and Regulatory Strategy for EMEA, announced today during the Stellar's annual Meridian conference in Madrid. Stellar is now the third blockchain network on which EURC is available, joining Ethereum and Avalanche, which are both already supporting the stablecoin. This accessibility extends to individuals who may not have a traditional banking services readily available. Following this news, Stellar traded at $0.112, up 0.47% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $3 billion. Next on the list, we have ApeCoin. ApeCoin DAO, the organization governed by the embattled native token of the Yuga Labs ecosystem, will soon launch a sister DAO tasked with acquiring influential NFTs, following a governance proposal that passed by a narrow margin. Animoca Brands co-founder Yatsui's proposal, AIP 297, has passed with 53.6% support. It aims to secure 750,000 Ape tokens from the ApeCoin treasury to fund a community-governed NFT vault, spanning art, music, virtual worlds, and gaming niches. The NFTs will be managed via a community-governed vault voted by sister DAO members and open for Ape holders to utilize with potential grants in Ape in the near future. The sister DAO will operate independently from the main ApeCoin DAO but still be governed by Ape holders. ApeCoin was trading at $1.11, down 2.01% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $408 million. Next on the list, we have WorldCoin. WorldCoin has entered the list of cryptocurrencies. Next on the list, we have WorldCoin. WorldCoin has entered the list of cryptocurrencies with favorable price action today, following a 5% increase in its token yesterday. WLD's growth has been a broad reflection of advancements and adoption within the larger WorldCoin ecosystem. According to WorldCoin, up to 200,000 people have been able to authenticate World IDs in Chile, a vital allied country in Latin America. According to WorldCoin, the overall number of onboarded persons accounts for up to 1% of Chile's total population, which is currently estimated to be around 19.5 million people. WorldCoin considers this adoption rate in Chile to be very promising for its global expansion drive and unveiled a new strategic partnership to help bolster demand in the country. WorldCoin was trading at $1.75, up 1.18% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $228 million. Last on the list, we have Aptos token. South Korean cryptocurrency exchange Upbit has resumed Aptos APT deposits and withdrawals after a scam APT token was mistakenly recognized as the real deal. The issue arose from a fake APT token called ClaimAPTGift.com, which had reached 400,000 Aptos wallets after its creation on September 21st. The fake token was likely part of a token airdrop scam, where users are airdropped tokens with links to phishing websites. Upbit has been accused of recognizing fake Aptos tokens as real by users who failed to verify the source code of the scam tokens. The issue occurred during the process of reflecting APT coin deposits, but the same function transfers were recognized as the same APT native token. This allowed users who sold the fake APT tokens to walk away with funds. Upbit's customer center has started requesting refunds from users who sold the fake tokens. The issue has since been fixed, and Upbit confirmed that deposits and withdrawals have resumed after completing the wallet inspection. However, it warned of potential delays in processing deposits and withdrawals and temporary price fluctuations on the APT tokens compared to other exchanges. APT was trading at $5.23, down near 5% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $1 billion.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3wordstv.io or scan the QR code.